Okay, this is going to be ideally a very short video for the 19th. I didn't buy or sell anything. I didn't trade anything. I didn't even have any attempted buys. There was just nothing that I really liked. SIVBQ did have an uptrend later in the day, but this was just based off of news, and this would have been very hard to have been a part of unless, excuse me, I was right there when it happened. And then CJJD was up already pre-market. I didn't like the way it was trading too much, but I do like how it offered a dip under VWAP right here, and this could have been something, but I don't know. After that previous trade, I don't really want to trade it, but I guess this one was different because it dropped under it with a big red candle, and then it bounced back from 113 to the 130, so it wasn't horrible. And then as for the other stocks, there wasn't really anything else that was looking too ideal. This one did break above the 705 multi-day breakout level. This would have been something nice, but it developed later in the day, and I was no longer looking at the stocks at that point. And that's pretty much about it. There isn't anything else that is really here to mention, but I will be looking for setups tomorrow, and ideally I can try to find something to trade then.